Hello, this is Brian from BeeReadyToday. And so, here's the ice storm. Let me just show you how frozen the top of this tent is. First the snow, now the ice. Look at it. Don't poke a hole in my tent. Are you having fun?
Yep.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. So there is a lot. There's about a quarter of an inch of ice on top of this Field and Stream tent. And don't poke a hole in it. Here's the here is the duct tape that I use to close up the hole from the 4 inches of snow. Oh boy, let's go ahead and take a look at the inside. Oh. So, someone asked, what type of tent is this? This is a Field and Stream one season summer tent. And so, let's go ahead and go inside. Ugh. And so we look at that duct tape. It held. Yeah, everything is dry. Everything is still cool. Let's see. This is the place we normally do our tent videos, and it is a I forgot I could turn my camera around. It's a brisk 29 degrees, but that's nothing in comparison to what our brothers and sisters are doing in terms of temperature in Wisconsin and New Hampshire, and yeah, I'm hearing -20, -30. So, oh my goodness, you know, be careful out there. But here's the result. It took a licking, and it kept on ticking. And see, old baby girl is right next to me, as she always is. That's the place that we sleep when we sleep out here. It's my glamping setup. Yeah, I have a heater, but right now the heater isn't working. So, one of our subs actually asked, what type of tent is this? Come on, baby girl. So check it out. It's a 14 by 10 Field and Stream summer tent that's actually holding up in the winter. So check this rain fly out. Other than the hole I put in it with my shovel, out here my hand is dry here. Out here is wet, and under here, check it out, completely dry. So this rain fly of the Field and Stream's 14 by 10 tent actually kind of sort of held up. It's been out here for many months. I think let's see, October, January, February, 4 months in the inclement weather. And so yeah, this is my last video about how this tent held up. Look at this. In the inclement weather. Let's zip this up here. Let's see if we can get this zipped up and a better shot of what we have here. That's the tent. Well, thanks for watching this crazy video. God bless and have a wonderful, warm day.